Hello everyone. Since Module 7 is going to be all about effective communication, I thought I would send out this week's announcement as a video announcement. So as you know, we are in Module 6, Section 2 currently. We're having some discussions on the discussion board class-wide about the group projects that we've been looking at creating, and thank you for posting those great ideas on your group's project and a little bit about how that's going. Some of you also have emailed me with problems that your group's been having as far as communication or getting on the same page and getting some of the work done. So just be encouraged to know that this project is more about the process of group work and not just the end product. So while each group does need to submit a final product, what I'm looking for as far as learning in this assignment is learning how you function, each of you functions in a group, learning that for yourself, learning your strengths, learning the things that maybe you need to work on a little bit, whether that be communicating better or communicating less, depending on your tendencies. So part of the feedback I think that you'll be getting from your peers as they give a assessment of your group participation, and also in another assignment that we'll do in Module 7 that just kind of asks you to think about your role specifically in the group project. Hopefully that will help you in future group projects that you will probably be spending more time in other classes. I know this one has been a very short one, and it was designed that way for this very reason, that the forming of the group and the dynamics of the group is what I want everyone to think about and to concentrate on. So hopefully the discussions this week have helped that. The group projects are due by Sunday, but that being said, you still have a lot of time to work in your groups to kind of finalize all those details. As well, the final version of your goals, MDS goals page, and your IDP form is due by the end of Module 6, Section 2. I strongly encourage you to look back at the previous assignment, which was back in Module 3, assignment 3.14. Look back and take a look at the comments we left you at that time. There's just very few of you that we didn't have anything to comment on. You had a perfect score. If that's your case, then the good news is you can just submit those same two documents as you had them in Module 3. But for the vast majority of you, there's usually a few things that you can improve on. The way you've been writing your goals, some missing information on one or the other of those documents. So we need both of those documents turned in at the end of this module section that ends Sunday. Starting tomorrow, Module 7, Section 1 opens, and as I said, it's going to be focused on effective communication. So specifically in our online class, the way we're going to accomplish that is through devices like webcams and screencast apps that record your screen. But for this coming section, we're going to kind of be doing a little test run just for you to get used to talking to a camera instead of a group, an audience, and then also for you to get the hang of the technology. So we're going to be working on an elevator pitch in this upcoming module, where you will think about the reasons why you're in the MDS program and how you could explain those to someone who asks you, what is the MDS program? Why are you in it? So we'll be recording ourselves, uploading that to discussion boards, and then kind of giving each other feedback on that. As well, I will also give you information about the final presentation that we'll be giving, which is coming up a week after this next one. So you'll kind of get a head start on that if you want to, but we'll have plenty of time in the next module section after this one that opens tomorrow to work on that. If you have any questions about any of those things or about the course in general, please let me know. And if I don't hear from you, I will definitely see you online. Thanks.